Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Excel to find the total cost by using units and units cost. So basically this is very simple, and all you have to first do is click on the total and then click enter first. Now first thing we will do is make sure we're clicking on the right thing. So first you will click on the number of units, which is 95 in this issue, and then you will multiply that by using the unit cost, which is $1.99. This will give you the data for this number. Now mine is in rows, so it will autofill by itself, but for you guys, if it does not autofill and you need to have the whole thing, you don't want to keep wasting your time and keep going answer by answer. So what I would recommend you do is click on this and then drag it all the way down, and then you will get your answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.